now what I'd like you to do, we're going to do the retrospective miscue analysis, which is what we did yesterday to practice, where you read into the tape recorder, and then you will mark the miscues that you make, okay? So we're going to use animals again. And since we practiced with the first 2 pages of the story with the, I believe it was the elk and the, what's the second animal?
Giraffe.
The giraffe. We will start with the elephant today. And you seem to like going page by page, correct? So we'll go page by page. You'll read it. We'll make sure we're taping it. And then after we get done, I'll give you a copy that you can try to mark the miscues that you make while you read it. And yesterday you had a hard time finding the miscues because you didn't make that many, which is a good thing. Okay? So let's get the tape recorder ready to go here, and we'll give it a couple of seconds before you get started so that we don't miss. Okay? Ready?
Elephants are the largest land animals alive today. Elephants have long trunks and ivory tusks. Elephants, they live in grasslands and forests.
Okay, so let's rewind it. Here's your copy. There's a pencil for you. And let's go ahead and see where it is. I think you already know where you want to go. You wanted to write it in already. Let's go ahead and listen to it. Touch each word as you go along, and then we'll fill it in as we go. Okay?
Giraffes are very tall, with long necks. Giraffes have spots all over their bodies and short or
Oops. We must not have rewound before we started recording. So let's find it.
heads. They have long trunks and ivory tusks.
Because we're doing elephants, correct?
Giraffes live in savannas and open woodlands.
Okay. Here comes the elephants. Sorry about that.
Elephants are the largest land animals alive today. Elephants have long trunks and ivory tusks. Elephants, they live in grasslands and forests.
Okay. So where was your miscue on that one?
They.
They. What did you put in place of they?
Elephants.
Elephants. Okay. Now, could you say the sentence, elephants live in grasslands and forests?
Yeah.
In place of they? So your error, your miscue again does not change the meaning, it's just not necessarily it's right there. Okay? So if we were to rank, something that's really, really bad and not so bad, where do you think this one would be?
Not so bad.
Not so bad. Okay, good. Let's move on to the next page then. And I'm going to be smart here this time, and I'm going to rewind all the way so that we can make sure we're ready to go. Thought I had done that. Okay, so we'll go with that page again. Just give me a second for the tape to get started.
Snow leopards live on cold mountains. They have thick fur and to stay warm. They hunt wild goats, sheep, and other animals.
Okay. Ready to go?
Snow leopards live on cold mountains. They have thick fur and to stay warm. They hunt wild goats, sheep, and other animals.
Okay. I see that you put 2 circles, and since that's what we are doing, you're putting circles in where something was changed. You circled the word stay. Why did you circle the word stay?
Says we're miscued.
What did you do?
I said lived. How to.
Let's come back because your miscue didn't happen with stay. Okay? It was close to stay. And let's see if you can find that miscue as we go here. Because the type of miscue that you do in this sentence is very common with you. It's what you do quite often. And so I want you to see if you can pick up where that miscue is. Let's see if you can find it, okay?
Snowmobiles live on cold mountains. They have thick fur and to stay warm. They hunt wild goats, sheep, and other animals.
Okay, so what you did is you realized that stay was not where you made the miscue. You put a circle in between fur and to. Why did you put a circle in between fur and to?
For and to stay warm.
Okay, so you tried to sneak another word in there that wasn't there. Okay, good. But then you came down to the next sentence, and again, the circle where you put the and in, that's what you do a lot. You sneak in extra words, okay? Then you came down here to the second sentence, or the last sentence, and you circled the word goats. Why did you circle the word goats?
They say goach.
You said goach? I thought you said goats twice, but let's go back and listen to that.
I said goach.
Let me listen to that. This is why it's going to take
Snowmobiles
work.
live on cold mountains. They have thick fur and to stay warm. They hunt wild goats, sheep,
Yep.
and other animals.
Say goach.
And see, that's why it's very important for me, in order to help you, that I record this so that I can hear this again. Because when you said it, I thought, just listening to you, I thought you said goats and you just repeated it. Okay? But you didn't. So good. Okay, I'm glad you caught that. Let's rewind this again.